Hi there, I'm Liz with Simply Delicious Baking, and in this video, we are making cheddar cheese muffins. Folks, these are a cheese lover's delight. They will have your taste buds saying, "Cheese, please." They are perfect for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, pretty much any time of day. And with just 4 simple ingredients, they are super quick and easy to whip up. Let's get to baking. But first of all, please like and subscribe. Now, let's bake.
For our easy peasy cheddar cheesy muffins, we are going to need a stick and a half or 3/4 cups of butter, 12 ounces of cheddar cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese, a cup or 8 ounces of sour cream, and 2 cups of self-rising flour. Make sure you are using self-rising. Here is the scoop on how to make these easy cheesy muffins. First of all, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Next, get out your butter and melt it in the microwave or on the stove top. After it's melted, immediately add your cheddar cheese and stir until it's well incorporated. Then we're going to add our sour cream and mix well. Then mix in your flour. You can do this by hand, but it is much easier with a mixer. Next, we're ready to put our batter into our muffin tins. For this recipe, we are going to use ungreased muffin tins. This batter has enough fat that it will self-grease. So fill each cavity almost to the top and press the dough down gingerly with a spoon. Then bake your muffins at 350 for 20 minutes. Remove them from the oven. Let them stand in the pan for 1 minute and then remove them from the pan. Place them on a wire rack to cool.
Y'all, these cheesy devils are so delicious. It's impossible to stop at just one. And outside chocolate, I think these could probably be the ultimate comfort food. I hope you'll enjoy this easy cheesy recipe. Please like and subscribe. The recipe's linked below. Also, please leave me a comment. What's your go-to comfort food? Wine and cheese or chocolate? Thanks for watching.